Hello lovelies and welcome back to my channel. This is Intuitive Tarot with me, Momma Core. Today I'm going to be reading for Sagittarius, my fire sign subscribers. This is for your sun, moon, rising and Venus, or if you're a cross watcher and you're interested in madly in love with, or you just want to know how your Sagittarius ex is doing, then all cross watchers are welcome. All I ask is that you don't wish any negativity upon anybody, please. Only positivity, because karma is a bee and it will end up coming back on thee, my love, okay? If you don't want it, don't give it. Unless you want good, then give good, and then good will come back on to you. Let's go. Oh, that was my stomach. Someone just went, Oh, I'm filming this on the 12th. Okay, don't want to do that. Yeah, I'm filming this on the 12th. And tomorrow, we're about to go into having a Capricorn full moon. And it is going to be insane. I was literally just saying to Leo then, just before this reading, I did Leo reading. And I was saying that more than ever, you're going to be having this desire, having this pull towards all the things that you've always wanted to do. Like, I really feel like this energy of just this like stillness, just this like knowing. Like, I just feel like out of nowhere, this like weight has been lifted off my shoulders because I'm getting like this clear clarity on what I've done, what I've achieved, where I need to go and who I need to go towards. That's like, yeah, like it's just like shone a light on all the things that I knew anyway, but it's like now I'm getting the clear clarity on, yeah, this is the job that you wanted. And we're opening up this pathway for you to be able to take it. Or, yeah, this is the person that you're desiring. And the reason why you're desiring this person is because of this, this, and this, and this, and this. Like, you're getting clear synchronicities to show you why you're feeling this way. Or a pathway is aligned for you to be able to get a job or to be able to go towards somebody. Out of nowhere. Like, it's almost like, how the hell did that just happen? That is in the area where I wanted to go for that job. Yeah, that does look like my dream house. What? Oh, a job's come up in the location near the person that I'm madly in love with. Oh, that's just a bit weird. Yeah, it's not like I've been manifesting that person in for the last 2 years. It's not like I haven't been able to get that person on my head or anything. Smell it in this person. Seeing people who look like your love interest. Straight up, the Two of Cups. Are you freaking kidding me? Sagittarius. My passionate Sagittariuses. Who are you feeling passionate about, Sagittarius? Who you got your eye on? Oh, I just heard, you know I want you. Watching each other online. You've been in a time of reflection, which is the energy of the Capricorn. Yeah, you've been in a time of reflection. Being really nostalgic. Yeah, being really nostalgic with somebody. all up in your thoughts and feelings, manifesting a life with this person. Oh my God, and Sagittarius comes out. Are you freaking kidding me, Sagittarius? Really? Damn, Sagittarius, you looking all sorts of good. Sagittarius making me feel all sorts of ways. Let me just have a drink of water. Right, top cards, bottom cards. Sagittarius. Right, do you know what, right? I know and I can feel that you're all up in your thoughts and feelings, which the Cancer, new moon, Cancer, Capricorn, Cancer, I was going to say emotions, that's why it's, our sun is in Cancer. You are all up in your emotions with this person. Like, I can't get you out of my head. Like, the amount of fantasizing and longing for you is unbelievable. That's what I'm feeling you're doing right now. Is that you're constantly looking at, I don't know, pictures of your love interest, or physically looking at them, like not being able to take your eyes off them. However it may be, I feel like you physically cannot, as much as you've tried to pull yourself away and try not to, this person keeps on pulling you back in. Because you're in your feminine energy, whether you're a male or a female, you're in your feminine energy. You're being vulnerable. You're wanting to open up. You're wanting to tell this person about how you feel, how much you want to nurture this relationship. Like, I don't get that you're going to come running in and be like, let's get married and have babies. Crazy, right? I know, but let's do it. Like, I don't feel like you're going to be all hot and heavy. You're going to be hot and heavy, being flirtatious. It's like you're going to test the waters to see how this person feels by being flirtatious with them. Yeah. And however this person reacts to you being flirty with them is how you will take your next step. If this person's like, oh, what are you doing? No. Like, literally just seen you. Like, chill out. Like, if this person's more pulled back, then you will pull your energy back a bit more and go about it in a different way. Because I see that you're very focused on each other. You don't realise how focused this person is on you. Because you're both manifesting in a higher level of commitment with each other. But you're all up in your head, Sagittarius. Yeah. There's something that you've seen online that's got you all confused. I get this feeling. Yeah, you're reflecting on the past, which is this new moon in Capricorn is gonna almost force us to deal with all those past hurts or past things that we were never able to get around to, that we've always been holding on to, or how a relationship didn't work out that you've regretted, or how a job didn't work out that you've regretted. Whatever it is, there's like regret and this like upset and I wish I would have done this, or I wish I would have done that energy that I'm picking up on. You're like, oh, if only I would have done that, if only if I would have just got out of my feelings, or if only I would have just got out of my ego and did this, or if only I would have done this and that would have happened. Like, stop. Okay? You are doing all you can do in your situation, okay? If you see people saying certain things or see that something has said, don't react. Don't go about it until you know that's truly that, unless you hear it from the horse's mouth itself and they're saying, Sagittarius, this is how I feel about you. Then go for it. Then freak out. Then be like, fuck you. Do you know what I mean? Do all that. But unless this person, whoever this information's coming from, don't react unless you know it's gospel. Do you know what I mean? Because I see this as like third party. You're not hearing it from your love interest. You're hearing it from somebody else. Like somebody else is talking about your love interest. Or your love interest has said something, but they're talking about somebody else, and you're like, what the fuck? I've not even said anything to you. I've not even done anything to you, and you're like slagging me off, and they're like talking about somebody totally different. Like, stop. Unless they've mentioned your name, unless they've said specifically that what they're saying is related to you, stop reacting, because I feel like you've got the wrong idea. Because all you're reading, apart from this like one little section, is good. It's love, it's nurture, it's passion. Do you know what I mean? It's emotions, it's loving, and it's two people willing to go above and beyond for each other. And I can't see that what you're seeing is true. You've got the wrong end of the stick. That's what I'm seeing. Because you're both longing to nurture this relationship. You're wanting to plant this seed. You're wanting to nurture it, to grow this relationship into what you've always desired it to be. Because you're both not happy in your past relationships where you was. And you both know, you both desire and know that in what you're looking for is in each other. Yeah, that's what I'm feeling. On this 5 swords. On this 5 swords. Five swords for Sagittarius. You're getting major realization about how this person really truly feels about you, Sagittarius. Because I feel like you're all of a sudden out of nowhere realizing that your love interest feels the same way that you do. And this person is very intuitive. They're coming in as the High Priestess, very spiritual. You have a really special connection. Sagittarius, if you've ever doubted how this person feels, then get out your head. Seriously. They're wanting a relationship with you. They're wanting a new beginning with you. And their cup is overflowing with love for you. They may be a blonde. But this is how this person's coming in. With love. Around her head it says, love, relationship, beginnings. New beginnings. Oh, she's all up in her thoughts and feelings about you, Sagittarius. Woo! And then right on the bottom, we have the lovers. They're desiring you as much as you're desiring them, so stop. They're fantasizing about this relationship, about being with you, especially at night, because we've got the moon. From the 13th, major movements going to happen in this connection. I can guarantee it. I would put money on it. Whether you two try and hold back or not. To be quite honest, with a connection like this, I would be very surprised if you two could hold back from each other. Because this heart chakra is wide open on this king. I've got the King of Cups and the High Priestess. Two people manifesting the shit out of each other. Two people just being like, I want you. Feel my energy. Feel how much I want you. Expressing to each other that vulnerability. It's unbelievable. You both have so much passion and so much love for each other. This is a connection that you've never felt with anybody else. This is like if you've ever been intimate with this person, this is like the best sex you've ever had. Like, you've never been connected with anybody as much as you've been connected with this person. It's like when you're making love, when you're having sex, it's like you escape to like a whole nother dimension. And you're like, whoa. Really? I just heard nobody makes me come the way you do. Okay. Yeah, but you're really up in with the career. Okay, on the clarity on the career then. Yeah. You're hoping with everything you have that everything that you're feeling is real. That's what you're hoping. Everything that this person is saying they are, you're hoping that it's real. That's what I'm seeing now. Because you want this higher level of commitment. What was that just tried to come out? Communication. This person's been so vulnerable with you, you don't know whether to believe it or not. They're being so pure and so open and so honest, you're like, whoa. Whoa. What do you want? What do you really want? Is that really how you're feeling? Damn right it is. Sagittarius, what you're not seeing is this person's got a lot of choices. They've got a lot of options. And no matter who the divine puts in your love interest path, they are only focused on you. And I'm seeing that there's people before you, if somebody would have come into your love interest path, they would have snapped somebody up like this straight away. But because they've met you, because they only have eyes for you, because they are only focused on you, all these options don't matter. It's like they don't even notice them. It's like, yeah. Yeah. You're good looking, yeah. Cool. Cool. You're both bringing in stability into each other's lives. This sense of security, even though you both don't want to admit it. It's like all of a sudden, since you've come into each other's lives, this sense of harmony. this balance. Yeah. I just all of a sudden feel so at peace. And I know it's because of you, Sagittarius. That's what your love interest has done for you and you are doing for them. And as much as you both don't want to admit it, because a love like this is scaring the shit out of both of you, you both have this sense of knowing. Knowing that you two are made for each other. Because this person knows about all the shit that you've done. Knows about the bad things that you've done in life. I don't know. They know about, yeah, you're worried about how this person's going to judge you, but this person knows about all this bad shit that you're worried about, and they're not judging you. If anything, they're loving you more. It's like you can't do wrong in this person's eyes. Yeah, you can't do wrong in this person's eyes. That's what I'm feeling. Don't fall, don't fall, don't fall, don't fall, don't do it, don't do it. Stay. Right. Oh, playfulness. Damn right. To recapture romance, allow your inner youthful spirit of fun to shine. Passion, allow your heart and soul to sing with joy. Attraction, you attract romantic love by enjoying this moment fully, which I really feel like you both are. You're appreciating each other more than ever because you know how special this connection is. You've now got the clarity because you've had this reflection period. When you were on your own, when you went with this person, you had a reflection period, and now this person's like, they're being shown in a whole new light. That's what I'm being shown. Because I'm focused on the light around your head. It's like now you see your love interest in a totally different way, but it's like a good way. Yeah, it's everything. It's everything you've always desired. And on the bottom, calling in your soulmate. Your prayers, affirmations, visualizations bring you together. Right now, over me. Michael Jackson song. Love it. Do you, Diana, I think it's called. Soulmate. Yes, this is your soulmate. Which you already know. I'm just literally giving you the clarity. You're like, I already know this. Momma Core. You're just repeating what I already know. So why? Let's get a ruling energy. Can I have a ruling energy for Sagittarius? Giving them clarity into their situation. Whoa. And again, they just told me. Oh, there's, yeah, I can feel it. There's a certain card they want. I can feel it. Yeah, there it is. Number 12 might be significant to you. Number 1 and number 5. So we have sacrifice, triumph and success, conflict and defeat. So you're overcoming this conflict with this person. You're now having success. Yeah. Because of the the patience and the compassion you've had with each other. Getting up in your emotions, because there's a lot of water here. Through communication. Through the swords energy, through the communication. Yeah, you're now realizing where you're meant to be going, who you're meant to be with, where your happiness lies, who has your heart. I just heard who has always had your heart. Get out. Let's do this. Sagittarius's love and trust, true thoughts and feelings. Sagittarius, love and trust, true thoughts and feelings. There it is. That's what I wanted. I wasn't looking for this. I don't know how to deal with it. Your name is following me everywhere. I can't bear to build it all again, to watch it wash away. I desire you deeply and internally, more than you know. I am drawn to your deep intelligence and wisdom. I want to give you the world. Do you want to give it to me too? I feel like I've been missing you all my life. You're my lost paradise. I just, I can hear like a masculine getting upset, like he had a frog in his throat, and he just said, I never stopped loving you. Chakra card for Sagittarius, please. Third eye chakra, light element, intuition. I have intuition and know how to use it. I trust my intuition. I listen to my inner visions, imaginings, messages, and sense of knowing, allowing my intuition to guide me home. I release the need to know and allow my intuitions to develop at a pace that is right for me. I am guided. I am guided home. I just heard I am guided to you. Beautiful. Well, my lovely Sagittariuses, this is all your messages because my spirit guides are pulling back now. I hope this gave you all the clarity that you needed in your situation. If you did want a personal, everything is linked down below, okay, my loves? May love and light guide you on your amazing spiritual journey. I'll see you next time, my loves. Bye, Sagittarius. Bye.